Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a true Filipino comfort classic, corned beef with potatoes and carrots. Corned beef became popular in the Philippines during the American colonial period, when canned goods were introduced as affordable and long-lasting pantry staples. But instead of simply heating it up, Filipinos gave it their own twist. By sautéing it with garlic and onions and adding potatoes and carrots, home cooks transformed canned corned beef into a hearty, complete meal. The potatoes make it filling and satisfying, while the carrots add natural sweetness and color. That simple upgrade turned it into everyday comfort food. The flavor is savory, rich, and perfect with hot steamed rice. Many Filipinos even enjoy it for breakfast with garlic rice and a fried egg, making it part of the well-loved Silog tradition. It may not be fancy, but that's the beauty of it. Corned beef with potatoes and carrots represents Filipino creativity, turning simple, accessible ingredients into something warm, nostalgic, and deeply satisfying.